unearthed from the ashes of time, the only Roman Lorica Squamata restored. Deep beneath the soil of ancient Anatolia, a lost chapter of Roman history awaits. There was a time when mighty legions guarding the vast empire, clad in armor that defied enemy blades. Today we're witnessing a remarkable feat, the restoration of the only known example of a specific type of Roman armor, the Lorica Squamata. This isn't your average suit of armor. This meticulously crafted masterpiece dates back 1,500 years ago. Unearthed in the ancient city of Satala, a key Roman outpost located in the village of Sadak in the Kelkit district of Gümüşhane in the Black Sea region of Turkey, it offers a glimpse into the remarkable engineering and craftsmanship of the Roman era. The ancient city of Satala was a vital stronghold for over 600 years. The famed 15th Legion, also known as the Apollinaris Legion, patrolled these lands, ensuring the security of the Roman Empire's eastern borders. This meticulously restored armor is a testament to their resilience. Crafted from interlocking metal scales, typically between 0.5 and 0.8 millimeters thick, it offered superior protection against slashing attacks. But unlike some heavier armors, the Lorica Squamata also provided some degree of flexibility, allowing for greater mobility on the battlefield. How did this unique piece of armor survive for so long? Thanks to cutting-edge technology like X-rays and CT scans, archaeologists were able to piece together the armor's secrets. Imagine the excitement as they realized they had something truly unique, the only known Lorica Squamata in existence. In 2021, the armor was discovered and extracted from its original site with help from the Ankara Regional Laboratory. Subsequently, it was transferred to the Erzurum Restoration and Conservation Regional Laboratory. Experts at Erzurum Ataturk University conducted a comprehensive analysis, including tomography and X-ray examinations, to document the armor's condition while still encrusted with soil. X-ray scans revealed the armor was largely intact. To determine its full dimensions and partial metallurgical characteristics, micro-CT imaging was performed on a 3-plate section from the edges. The Erzurum Regional Directorate of Restoration and Conservation Laboratory spent 3 years restoring and conserving the artifact. Finally, the armor was reassembled through careful sewing, restoring it to its original configuration. During the height of the Roman Empire, the Lorica Squamata was a common type of armor worn by various military personnel, not just legionaries. It was often used by officers, specialists like musicians or standard bearers, and even entire regiments of auxilia infantry, archers, and cavalrymen, particularly in certain provinces. Later in the empire's history, troops frequently used scaled armor as a form of protection. The world's oldest wine found in Spain. Archaeologists have made an incredible discovery in Spain. The world's oldest known liquid wine, dating back nearly 2,000 years. Let's take a look at this remarkable find. In 2019, workers renovating a home in the town of Carmona near Seville stumbled upon an ancient Roman family tomb containing cremated remains. The tomb housed 8 niches designed for burials, out of which 6 contained urns crafted from various materials like limestone, sandstone, glass, and lead. Each of these urns held the cremated bone remains of a single person. Notably, 2 of the urns bore inscriptions bearing the names of the deceased individuals, Hispane and Senecio. Among the 8 burial niches was one that held a shocking surprise, an urn with 5 liters of a reddish liquid inside. Initial analysis revealed this liquid was in fact an extremely old wine, encased in the urn along with human ashes, as part of a Roman funeral ritual. But just how old was this wine, and could it really have survived nearly 2,000 years in liquid form? To find out, researchers at the University of Cordoba conducted extensive testing. Using techniques like inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry and liquid chromatography, they were able to identify the wine's mineral composition and polyphenol compounds, telltale markers of ancient wines. The results were clear. This was unmistakably a white wine, similar to sherry wines still made there today. But why did it turn to reddish-brown? Scientists explain that because of the chemical reactions that have taken place in the 2,000 years since the white wine was poured in. Before this discovery, the oldest liquid wine ever found dated back to around 325 AD, recovered from another Roman tomb in Germany. But the Spanish wine precedes that by over 300 years. At nearly 2,000 years old, it represents an unparalleled example of the Romans' expert wine preservation methods and the unique environmental conditions that allowed it to survive intact for 2 millennia. For the archaeologists, the wine itself is not the only significant finding. Its presence confirms the well-documented Roman practice of including wine in funerary rituals. The urn was likely filled with this specially preserved wine as a libation to aid the deceased's journey into the afterlife, providing a rare glimpse into these ancient spiritual rites. From its surprising modern-day discovery to the incredible science behind confirming its age, the story of this 2,000-year-old Spanish wine reminds us of the archaeological wonders still being unearthed and the human ingenuity of ancient civilizations like Rome. An artifact that may have seemed too good to be true has now etched its legacy as the oldest liquid wine ever found.